Welcome to Archiesense. Rich House is located amidst the densely populated Rajajinagar area of Bengaluru, on a 2,400 square feet plot. The building comprises two striking volumes, adorned with simple jaali bricks that blend in with the local aesthetic. The lower volume is occupied by the parents of the homeowner, while the upper volume is designed for the homeowner. A narrow entrance with a tree in the front leads visitors to the larger space inside the house. The house is designed for a young couple who wanted a modern vernacular style with a comfortable outdoor space. The design of the house takes into account the privacy of the surroundings while providing a pleasant outdoor experience. The upper volume is divided into communal and private areas. The kitchen, dining, prayer room, and courtyard are designed as one, with a smooth transition between the communal and outdoor areas, bringing in natural light, fresh air, and greenery. The other volume includes bedrooms and a multipurpose room that can be converted into a third bedroom. Skylights and wooden cladding on the Mangalore tile roof provide natural light and a warm ambience. The jaali brick facade provides visual privacy while blending contemporary and vernacular styles. Rich House serves as a comfortable sanctuary in a dense urban environment, designed to uphold the values of harmonious family living. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.